Good day, everyone. I'm here to present all about our research, all about IoT-based camera fire alarm monitoring system for household safety, with the following researchers: Comendador Crystal Rose, Maka JBS, Tabilid Roland, with our advisor Dr. Josine Archibald. So start with our problem and its settings. The second discussion is all about the review-related literature. Third is research methods. The fourth is the results and discussions. And the final one is the conclusions and recommendations. At first, we start with a problem and its settings. And under that is the introduction, statement of a problem, objectives, significance of the study, scope, and limitations. So introduction is we will discuss it all about all fire detection system in which they uses only sensing devices without determining its temperature. Second one is the residential fire detection system that we are using today that uses a color coding in different floors of a building or a residential house. The third one is the video-based detection system that we develop. It is commonly used in industry and being improved daily using a camera to detect a fire or smoke that is using an IoT-based system. Statement of a problem. The fire alarm monitoring system has been considered as technology industry with substantial room for innovation as current technology improves. Traditional fire alarm monitoring system frequently employ a cabling technology. So we uh, we have objectives to give you. It's all about develop IoT-based fire alarm monitoring system, develop a decision rule algorithm that integrates camera-based sensing. The last one is tested the validity of the developed system. Significance of the study. It helps to improve or boost the economy, household, and the society. Scope and limitation. It only limits to indoor residential areas, and it is only a prototype study or research. Then it limit only for an area that is less to nuisance. Second part of our study is all about the review of related literature. So the first that relates to our study is from A. Pesatori, M. Norgia, and C. Suelto, entitled Automated Vision System for Rapid Fire Onset Detection, International Instrumentation Measurement Technology Conference on the year 2019. It said that automated vision system for rapid fire onset detection prevented a fire by a system constituted by two fire cameras and controls a fire extinguisher. Second one is by G. Sityakala, V. Kartika, and B. Ishwarya, entitled Computer Vision-Based Fire Detection with a Vision Alert, International Conference Communication and Signal Processing, year 2018. It states that the use of computer vision technology to detect fire send an alert to a remote fire station. An alert is not only sent as emergency message but also video is sent along with it. The third one, the last part that relates to our study is from N. Chaudhary, Dr. Musfig, AZME Chaudhary, entitled Computer Vision and Sensor-Based Fire Detection System. First International Conference on Advances in Science, Engineering, and Robotics Technology, year 2019. It stated the implementation of system that raises a fire alarm in the form of remote notification after analyzing vision and smoke sensor-based model data. So the third part of our discussion is the research methods. It first is the system overview, user interface design, system flow chart, and the calibration. So this is the overall system overview of our system. As you can see, it uses internet, camera with the interaction of people. So our study is it uses internet. So without internet, it will not be used. So this is our hardware design. We use a Raspberry Pi model, a computer that is fit for image processing to detect fire. We cannot use We cannot use an Arduino that is only for an input outputs based. So this Raspberry is fit to Python programming that is used for machine vision. So this is our components: the Raspberry Pi camera, power supply, smartphone, and the 5 volts relay. So if fire is detected, we will discuss it later to our system flowchart. So this is our user interface design. This one that is being seen on your monitor or cell phone. These are system design. So from camera, it will process the Raspberry Pi, then the internet will support fire detect, generate to the cell phone, and it gives notification to your cell phone. System algorithm. So we use a combustion materials of 1 kilogram for our testing. This 1 kilogram of plastic, 1 kilogram of scratch bond paper, 1 kilogram of wood. Then we burn also of the combination of both plastic and paper, scratch paper, plastic and wood, and plus paper and wood. So this is one test fires with corresponding heights and distances. So this is the load. So later I will give you the sample video or footage of the fire detection system. So this is actual testing and system validation with different time lapse and locations with experiment numbers and trials. This is the second part, the 8 feet in height and the load from 8 feet distance and the height. So this is the result. So this is the program that can be seen on the laptop. So this is the text displaying being detected on the this one. So this is the actual footage of a fire detection system. So let us see.